Max. Maxwell. He's playing out in the rain, by the way. Not rain. It's more like sprinkles. Oh, but he is having a ball.
Are you still out in the rain?
Yeah. He is like having the time of his life out here. Hey, buddy. What are you doing, silly? Hey, Max. He's splashing. He's dancing.
Because it's much better when you're barefoot.
You silly boy. You silly, silly boy. Are we going to send this video to Dada?
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Does he have a thing? I mean, what would he watch it on?
His phone.
Oh, okay.
Could you say, hey, Dada?
Say hi.
Can you wave? Say, hey. Yay. Good job.
Good job.
Hey, Max.
Where you going?
Max. Get mad, Max. Yay! Aw, can you say Dada? Dada! Ooh! Oh, goodness. Well, you need to get out from over there. It's getting heavier, the rain.
Come over here. You'll get wet.
Yeah, your whole head is wet. He loves it.
Come on. Come on over here.
Come on, buddy. Stop
Come on.
Stop going over there. Come on.
Come.
Say bye-bye, Dada. Good job.